So you see the title of this video. You know what we're going to talk about. But here's the story. You can see right here, the CDC and FDA, they see a possible link between Pfizer's shot and strokes. That's a problem. Now, we're going to go and read through this article. We will read through it together. This is from Politico. Now, this came out yesterday, okay? So this came out yesterday. I was going to touch on it yesterday. I thought, you know what? I'm going to put this off just a little bit to pull up some more facts. Well, here's the fact. The fact is that there's more reports now coming out that maybe these shots were not as safe as some people were saying. Now, the Biden administration is still pushing for to get vaccines. So is the CDC. But again, I just want to show you the facts. That's all I'm doing. Just want to give you the facts here and not my opinion. Okay? So here we go. Let's talk about this. First, the CDC and FDA see possible link between Pfizer's shot and strokes. This came out on Friday. But let's go ahead and read this. It says, the CDC and FDA announced on Friday that their surveillance system flagged a possible link between the new Pfizer-BioNTech COVID vaccine and strokes in people over or 65 years of age and over. That is key. But said they were continuing to recommend the shots. Okay. They also said the stroke risk was elevated in the 21-day period post-vaccination, so right after, versus the 22 to 44-day post-vaccination. That's what the CDC said in a statement. They also went on to say that the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services and the Department of Veterans Affairs and other sources haven't shown an elevated risk of stroke. Okay. Now, although the totality of the data currently suggests that it is very unlikely, there is it still represents a true clinical risk. That is why they are saying that they want to share this information with the public, as we have in the past when one of our safety monitoring systems detect a signal. That's what they're saying. Okay, this is as of yesterday. They also go on to say the CDC's vaccine safety data link met criteria warranting further investigation into whether the Pfizer vaccine led to a higher risk of ischemic stroke, which occurs when arteries pumping blood to the brain are blocked by a blood clot. And then we got a statement from Pfizer and BioNTech, and of course, they say that there is no evidence to conclude that ischemic stroke is associated with the use of the company's COVID vaccine. Okay. Did you think they would have said anything else? Probably not. But it says the announcement prompted a response from the House Energy and Commerce Chair, Kathy McMorris Rogers. She's a Republican out of Washington. And she said that the CDC and the FDA will testify before her committee. Now, we got another page I want to address really quick as well. But the thing here is we are starting to see there's some more updates regarding the vaccines. It's not just the initial shot, but also the boosters as well. And so just keep in mind, you're going to see reports on this. You're going to see that the Republicans are going to demand that people come and testify before them. And that's exactly what Kathy McMorris Rogers is asking for when she said the CDC and the FDA will testify before her committee. Republicans are going to demand that. So expect to see that in the near future. But it also goes on to say the announcement comes as the Biden administration is aggressively promoted the updated vaccine to older Americans. Individuals over 65 are most at risk of serious illness from COVID. They also go on to say that 70% of the average new daily hospitalizations are from people that are over the age of 60 years old. Okay, that was just from last week. Okay, so just keep that in mind right there. Another thing, it also says less than 40% of people over the age of 65 have gotten the booster shot. Okay, that is the booster shot, not the original shot, the booster. And it does say that 94% of seniors has gotten the 2 primary series RNA shots. Now, This is Pfizer and BioNTech, okay? This is not Moderna. Right here you can see the Moderna shot was not flagged by its surveillance. Now, I just want to be very clear on this. And if I've seen a lot of different reports, seen a lot of comments from you guys as well in the comment section, but people keep on saying, I'm not going to go get another booster, okay? And I want to, and let me know down in the comment section below. Maybe you did get the initial vaccine. That's fine. But I've seen more often than not, people have gotten the vaccine, they've gotten the booster, but that's where they stop. Is they will not go, whether it's a 1 or 2 dose initial vaccine, doesn't matter. They get the initial one, they get the booster, and then they're done. They won't go and get the 3rd one or the 4th one. They're not going to go and get it. A lot of people have said in the comments, sent me emails. I know a lot of friends and family as well that they got the original shot, then they got a booster, and now they're like, I'm not going to go get another one. Because if I go get the other one, what's to stop me from getting the next one? And the next one, and the next one. It's just going to be a yearly thing, or every 4 to 6 months that I have to go back and get this. And people are like, you know what? I'm done. I'm tired of it. I want to get out of this. I'm just done. So let me know your thoughts down in the comment section below. Do you think that this is linked? Do you think that we are going to find a link between Pfizer's shot and strokes? A lot of people have been saying this is why people are just dying, whether it's athletes or actors or just the other day was it Lisa Marie Presley, right? I have no clue what that's about. I didn't look into that, but it's interesting. It is very interesting where things are going. So that's what we know at this time. As always, as I know more, I will come back on. I will share all the latest news and updates again. Thank you guys for watching. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys on the next